Hey, it's Jared. Let me show you how I created my dorm room vibe for less with Amazon. I have tons of different clothes. I have some pajama pants, more pajama pants. People say I have too much. I don't really listen to people. I love to journal. I got my gratitude journal, I got my mantra journal, and I got my 5-minute journal. And oh, I got a package from Amazon. Let's see what we got today. This is perfect. This is my journal that I journal about journaling. They said I couldn't journal about journaling. They all doubted me, but who's laughing now? These are my blackout curtains. Fans are always coming to my door for autographs, pictures. Oh, see that guy out there? He looks like he's on his phone, but I know a fan when I see one. This is my affirmation mirror. I like to give myself encouragement, reminders, anything to help me get through the day. Here, I'll show you. I am hungry. Yeah, I'm hungry. Yeah. Welcome to my kitchen. You guys wanna do some shots? We got turmeric, we got ginger, we got probiotic. It gets a little crazy in here. I love dorm life. I can't wait to live here another year. It's John the RA.
Jared, you can't live in the dorm anymore since you're not a student. I like your nails though, they're good.
I love that guy. He's such a character. My crystals, the source of all my powers. They give me the skills to succeed. And they can take them away too. I don't know why people make such a big deal out of my nail polish. It's just something I do for fun. It's honestly not that big of a deal. Oh, hey, Vivian.
Hi, Jared.
Can I do the glow getter?
Oh, sure. I'll squeeze you right in. No one's waiting.
I'm gonna go now, since I'm technically no longer enrolled here as a student. Go shop my dorm at the link in bio.